Welcome to the policypass video training module on the infection control and prevention policy. This policy ensures that all children, families, educators and visitors experience a safe and healthy environment by minimising the risk and spread of infectious diseases within the service. The aim of this policy is to establish clear procedures to prevent and control the spread of infectious diseases and illnesses, identify, assess and minimise health risks related to infection, including outbreaks and pandemics, promote good hygiene, immunisation and safe practices for all children, staff and families, define roles and responsibilities for infection control and reporting within the service. Implementation includes conducting regular risk assessments and maintaining strict cleaning and disinfection routines for all areas and equipment, promoting and modelling effective hand hygiene, cough and sneeze etiquette, and the use of personal protective equipment when required, enforcing exclusion periods for children, staff or visitors who are unwell or have an infectious disease, in line with health authority recommendations, notifying families and relevant authorities promptly about infectious disease occurrences and required actions. Management responsibilities include leading the development, review and communication of the infection control and prevention policy, ensuring all staff receive training in infection control practices and understand exclusion requirements, maintaining up-to-date immunisation records and supporting immunisation programs for children and staff, overseeing cleaning schedules, monitoring compliance and reporting incidents to relevant authorities. Educators and staff are responsible for following all infection control procedures, including hand hygiene, cleaning and use of protective equipment, monitoring children for signs of illness and responding in line with policy and health guidelines, reporting suspected or confirmed cases of infectious diseases to management immediately, attending infection control training and staying informed about best practices. Families are responsible for informing the service promptly if their child is unwell, has an infectious disease, or has been in contact with an infectious condition, following exclusion guidelines and keeping children at home when required by health authorities, providing up-to-date immunisation records and supporting good hygiene practices at home, responding to service notifications and collaborating with educators to help prevent the spread of infection. By working together, a safe, healthy, and supportive environment is created where the risk of infection is minimised and everyone can participate confidently in the service. Thank you for watching this training module on the infection control and prevention policy. Let's continue to prioritise health, hygiene, and best practice in infection control for the well-being of all children, families, and staff.